The other part is to come over here to Hawks Learning and click on the Hawks Learning button. That will take you outside of Blackboard into Hawks. And you can come over here and see, for me it's overdue, but it should have, hopefully for you it's not, and you can just click on that lesson, 4.1 rates. If you click this, the start for learn, it's going to take you through the content one more time. So if you watched my videos, you don't need to watch the learn. You probably have plenty of information that you'll be able to complete the entire assignment. If you're really not confident and you know you need the extra reinforcement, by all means, click the start and work through. It's mostly reading, so I'll open it up so you can see it. You'll have to read something, click the next, and then it'll give you some more information. There are some videos in here. Some of them are good and some of them are not so good. So it's up to you if you want to use this method to help yourself learn. I will get out of here and learn. And then I can come in here to practice. This is going to help me practice problems. It'll give me, there's a tutor, there's a ask my instructor button, there's all kinds of different help. You can send the problem to your instructor, which is me. It'll come right to me if you're having trouble on it, or you can click the tutor button. It'll walk you through step by step. So you can try out the problem. And then you can also, if you're in the practice mode, you can skip, which is really nice. If you know that problem, you're like, I don't need to practice that. I want to skip to one I'm not sure about. So I can skip until I find one that I'm confused and try this one out. I can try the tutor. I can send a message to Mrs. Brown, or I can just try working it out and see how I do. When you think you've got it, type in your answer and then click submit answer, and it'll tell you if you're right or wrong. When you're finished with practice mode, you can click to end practice, or when you get to the end of all the questions, it'll exit you automatically. And then the part where you're going to get a grade in Hawks is the Certify mode. So you must do the Certify mode. The practice and the learn modes are optional. So I would click continue here to start the Certify mode, or the icon. And then I would put in my answers here, submit answer, and go through. And you can see this time I have 2 lives. And so if I run out of lives, then I will have to redo the whole assignment. But if I can get through, there are 10 problems. If I can get through all 10 without running out of lives, then I can get a 100% in my gradebook. So even if you miss 2 problems, that's what this is telling you. You can miss 2 problems out of 10 and you'll still get a 100% in the gradebook. Okay, so that's sort of like your incentive to stick with it and finish all the problems and try your best on them. Exit without saving. And it's telling me that I can save it and come back at least 3 times, so that helps as well. When you're finished with all of this, you can look at just your Hawks grades by clicking grades here. I'm still in Hawks, and it'll show me for each of the lessons that I have assigned so far what I have done, and you can see I haven't been very busy in here. And then you can also come back here. I'm clicking home,